Hello friends, welcome back to CAD-CAM. In this tutorial, we are going to design door handle in SolidWorks. Here is 3D model. This 3D model 2D drawing you will find on my blog page. Link in description box. So please check out. So let's begin. So we will start with front plane. Sketch. Then we will draw the sketch here. Then select the dimension, make 40 mm, this side also 40, and the length will keep 175. Okay, now just take this one here. Press Control, make constant. Okay. Then select your arc. So okay, this side also. Okay, 10 mm. Okay. Okay. Now we'll select your swept boss base and select a circular pad profile and select the line. Then thin feature. Okay. Now select this face, sketch and make it normal. Now select a center rectangle and draw one rectangle here. Okay, and the length will keep 250 mm and width will make 40 mm. Okay, then select your extrude boss base and extrude up to 5 mm. Okay, now select this face, sketch and normal. Now we will draw one circle here, this side also. Okay, and then select the circle, press Ctrl and make equal. Okay, then dimension 10 mm. Okay, and here to here 15 mm. This side also 15. Okay. Okay. Okay, now select your extrude cut and 5 mm. Okay. Now select this circle and select your chamfer, this side also 5. Okay, now select a fillet and select this circle, this side also 5 mm. Okay, now select a fillet and select this corner, this side also, and this one also, and this corner also. Mm. Okay, let's define the material. So select here appearance, metal and polished steel. Okay, so our door handle is ready. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more video. Thanks for watching.